I have what you might call a healthy nail habit, but keeping everything in the packages they came in was getting a little bit unruly. I needed a system to organize it all. We'll call it small scale organization. I wanted to make sure that the contents of each compartment wouldn't fly into the next if the box got jostled around a bit. I also wanted to be able to configure the size of the compartments, so I found this and it's pretty much perfect for what I need. You can remove the compartments, how do I explain this, like vertically? I guess that's the one thing that's not perfect about it, is that I can't expand compartments horizontally. The dividers that run vertically are not movable. But I can work with that because this is just exactly what I need. I love that I can see clearly the contents of every little compartment. The plastic is hard and durable. It's not super flimsy. I know that the lid's not going to pop open because it's got a closure that has tabs that snap down manually, so it can't just pop up on you. This is exactly the solution I needed.